Hey love, welcome and thank you for tapping in. It's your girl Brandy, the content queen, teaching you my content basics with essential twist for branding and business. And today we are going to learn how to add effects to text from scratch. So if you're ready, then continue watching. So here we are inside my go-to editing platform, Canva. However, there are a number of editing platforms out there. You just gotta find the best one that works for you. However, the reason why I love Canva so much is because they're one, super easy to use, two, they're very, very easy to navigate, and three, Canva gives you a ton of access to images, videos, and other premium content, even with just the free plan. All right, so once you have signed into your Canva dashboard, this is what you're going to see. And again, we are going to learn how to add effects to our text from scratch. So we're going to come up here to the top of the right-hand corner, and we're going to select the Create a Design button, just like that. So to keep it nice and simple, I'm just going to create a social media post. There we go. And we'll give her a chance to load. All right, so let's go ahead and make this a little bit bigger. All right, so in order to add text to your design from scratch, you're gonna come over here to the left-hand side and you're gonna scroll to the text option and you're gonna select text. And then from there, you're going to come up here to add a text box and select the Add a Text Box button. Boom, just like that. Uh-oh, I think I accidentally selected it twice. Let me see what's going on here. Yep, we did. Okay, so let's get this guy out of here. Let's make this a little bit bigger. There we go. All right, just like that. Nice, put you right in the center. Okay, so let's just write, let's see, check this out. So let's just say we have a new event coming up, something that we're going to launch, or anything that you're going to want to share on your social media. You're going to type it into your text box. And then once you are satisfied with what you have written, you're going to highlight your text box, and then you're going to come up here to the right hand side of your toolbar and you're going to select the effects option, just like that. So over here to our left hand side, we have a whole bunch of different styles of effects to choose from. So obviously we have none right now. So we're just going to go through all of them so we can see which one we like. Whoop, what did I just do? There we go. So if I want to add shadow, that's what shadow is going to look like. Let's take this up a little bit so we can see it. There we go. That's what shadow is going to like. And then all of the different styles may or may not come with other different adjustments within each effect, within each style. It just depends on what kind of style it is. Not all of them have these options right here. Okay, but you can adjust it to your liking, or you can leave it the way it is. And then this is what lift will look like. I use lift a lot in my content creation. So if I wanted to adjust the intensity, I would take it up, or I would take it down, just like that. And then we have hollow, so that will hollow out your text. Splice, echo. An echo is one of the effects where you can actually change the color. So that's what that will look like. So I'll make your text stand out a lot more. Oh, I like this one with the teal. Looks really pretty. All right, so moving on. We have glitch, which is a really fun one. And then we have neon. Now, neon, you'll definitely want to make sure that you have a color, or that you're using a color that's, easy on the eyes. So definitely want to play around with them. And then obviously the background will enhance the color that you use if you choose to use the neon effect. So you just have to go through that and see which one works best for you. Okay, so let's go back to the effects. And then we even have background. So this will just highlight the background of the text. And this one, you can adjust the roundness of the background. Pretty cool. You can adjust the spread, so how much it highlights the background of the text. And then you can even adjust the transparency, which is really cool. I like that. And then obviously if you want to change the background color, you can go ahead and adjust that. So you just have all these different styles of effects to choose from. And then down here, once you have selected a style that you like, you can even select how you want your font to be shaped. So if you want it to be curved or not. But check this out. Hold up just a second. There we go. You can adjust how much you want it to be curved. So this is really cool, especially when it comes to creating your logo for your business or your brand, or especially like your business card. I think that's super, super cool. Okay, so once you are satisfied, or you can just select no shape at all. But once you're satisfied with your effects, you are going to come up here to the top of the right hand corner and select the share button. And then you're going to scroll all the way down to download. And then Canva is always going to give you the best suggestion for the file type of, it's going to give you the best suggestion for your design. But if you want to change the kind of file type, you can select it and then select the file type to your choosing. Otherwise, you can just choose Canva's best suggestion, and then from there you'll go ahead and select download, and then your design will be downloaded and ready for you to share. So that is it for today's video. If this video has helped you at all, be sure to click the link below, get started with Canva today, and start working on your design. All right, thanks again so much for tapping in, and remember, if your content does not turn you on, you are doing it wrong. This is Brandy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.